Brown Beats.
Guys, welcome to Bread of Life Kitchen. Yeah, today we're having a oven baked chicken recipe. So yummy and so simple, so easy. So we've got here our large chicken already washed, as you can see. So these are my herbs that I'm going to use to marinate the chicken. So I have my paprika here. I have my black pepper, white pepper, ginger powder, garlic powder. I have my thyme, I have oregano, and I also have my onions already chopped. I have my olive oil. Yeah, you can use butter as well. I have my onions, my scallions, and my chili peppers. So this is just to garnish it at the end of the day for presentation, and they are basically for presentation. So I've got my bouillon cubes here, already crushed. Have my ginger, have my oyster sauce. I've got my soy sauce, the dark and the light soy sauce. Yeah. Okay, I've got my tomatoes here. I'm just going to crush it. Is our sauce for the chicken. Okay. So now I will make a split on my chicken so that all this sauce and herbs can get in. They will marinate for 1 hour or two if you have more hour. Yeah, if you have more hours, you can marinate. So I'm just going to marinate mine for about 1 hour. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see, making a split on it so that our herbs can get inside. Isn't it gorgeous? Yeah, so gorgeous. So that's it. So simple, easy, yummy, and tasty. Yeah, I'm working with a very sharp knife. As you can see, I've got this one ready. Okay. So now I'm going to work on it with all my spices and herbs. Yeah. So guys, I almost forgot. I'm going to drizzle half lemon on it. It gives it a very unique taste. So I'm using half of it. I'm going to use my hands. My hands are clean already. So I'll add my olive oil, my bouillon cubes, already crushed, my herbs. So I'm going to add all together and give it a good massage. Yes. Like this. smells so nice, eh? This aromatic smells so nice. So nice, so nice. Like this, one after the other. So finally I will add my paprika. So gorgeous. Give it that vibrant color. Yeah. Feel free, it's your food. You massage it. Massage all the herbs onto the chicken. Yes. Massage it like so. The olive oil smells good, great. I'm even using this pan or bowl to bake it. Yes. So I'm going to seal it up for 1 hour. Every bit of it. It's well seasoned. So gorgeous, guys, isn't it? It's already beautiful. We've not baked it. It looks so beautiful. For taste, 100%. So nice. So I'll just put our onions. It smells so great. So that's it. I'm going to marinate for 1 hour. So guys, it has been 1 hour. So I just brought out our chicken from the fridge. So I'm going to bake right away. I'm baking for 40 to 45 minutes. Yeah. So while this is in the oven, I'm going to prepare our sauce for it. Our side dish, you know. So I'll be right back. So guys, we already have our olive oil in here. So I'm going to fry our sauce. You see my onion. You have to allow the onion to caramelize a bit. So we're going to simmer for 5 minutes or 10 so that the water in the tomatoes will reduce a bit. Yeah. And also loses that its sour taste because it's fresh tomatoes. We have that sour taste. So we're going to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Allow it to simmer so that the water will reduce. Okay guys, I'll be right back. So guys, our sauce is ready. I'm going to add some herbs, oregano, thyme, and salt to taste. Yeah. So I'm going to add our peppers. We've got the green, the red, and the yellow. And of course the chili pepper. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful. So gorgeous. So I'll just allow it to simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. So the sauce is ready. So beautiful, colorful. Voila. So now I taste for salt. Guys, this is awesome. This is awesome. So beautiful. So guys, our chicken is ready. Looking so beautiful, so gorgeous. You see the stripes we put on it, how crispy it is, so nice, and tastes so awesome. So this is our sauce, so beautiful and colorful. So food is ready, so easy. So you can eat with your rice, potato, plantain, yam, etc. Simple recipe. Voila. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm grateful. To my new subscribers, thank you. And to the old subscriber also, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So if it's your first time coming across my video, please like, share, subscribe, share with friends and family, comment. There's a section, the comment section below. Comment, feel free to ask any questions. Yeah, give me a thumbs up and hit on that bell icon so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. So thank you so much, guys. This is the very best oven baked chicken. Simple recipe, packed full of vitamin and a lot. So yummy, yummy, yummy. Easy to make. So until I come your way next time, stay blessed and be happy. Bye-bye.